So we can make use of the expectation of x. How do we make use of it in equation? Here we're given the equation, find the expectation of x given this. So to find the expectation of x, like what we have discussed here, the expectation of x is equal to summation of x values, x multiplied by f of x. So this is simply how to find the expectation of x. So it then means that for me to find this, for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So how do we make use of this formula, which have been stated here as the expectation or the mean of x? Finding the expectation means finding the mean. So this thing means summation of x values multiplied by f of x values. So we have, for the first one, we have 0 multiplied by 1 all over 8 plus 1 multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 2 multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1 all over 8. So this is what we got, which is also equal to, the whole of this will give us 0 plus this will give us 3 all over 8 plus this will give us 6 all over 8 plus 3 all over 8. So this is what we get. So we can still write it this way: 3 all over 8 plus 6 all over 8 plus 3 all over 8. Now, we can see that the numerator and the denominator, we can find the LCM of 888. Since they are the same, we'll have 3 plus 6 plus 3, which is 12. We'll have 12 all over 8, since they have the same denominator. So this can cancel this. 2 here to give us 6, 2 here to give us 4. Also, our expectation of x is equal to, now 2 here will give us 3 and 2 here will give us 2. So we have 3 all over 2 as our answer. 3 all over 2 as our answer. We can still write it as, to reduce it further, 1 whole number, 1 all over 2. So our expectation of x, or the mean of x, given this table is equal to 3 all over 2, or 1 whole number, 1 all over 2. So this is how we can get the expectation or the mean, or how we can use this formula, which have been stated here, to find or to solve question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.